Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to leave a review on AliExpress. So it's very simple. When your order is delivered, you can go to AliExpress application or website, then go to your account at the bottom right, go to section My Orders, find order that you want to give review, and there you should see a button that says Write Review. So press it and you will see something like this. This is this form that you need to fill in. So here you can give your star rating from 1 to 5 stars and write your review about the product, quality, shipping, or the service. You can also upload some photos right here or videos of the item to make your review more helpful for other customers. And after you submit your feedback right here at the bottom, your review will appear on the product page, usually within 24 hours. But remember that when you post your review, you cannot delete it, so make sure that you're happy with what you write. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.